Welcome to the Phonics class. In today's class, we are going to learn two letter blends with the short vowel O. Children, we all know letter O makes the sound A. Shall we start reading? Yes, here we go. A. B. Ab. A. B. Ab. A. G. Ag. A. G. Ag. A. N. On. A. N. On. A. P. Up. A. P. Up. A. T. Art. A. T. Art. Children, now let's see a quick review. Ob. Og. On. Up. Art. Children, practice these sounds every day. It's more helpful to read. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you for watching.